Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to resize image. So you can use the image code to insert the image, and for the address in there, I will use this image. You can right click to copy address, and then you can type for the image name. For the description, alt, okay, you can tap cat. You can click file, save, and then open in browser. So we have this image, and if you want to resize, we can use the one attribute, like we can use the width attribute, and then for size, like you can set 100 pixels. Click file, save, and then you can view again in browser. So the image will be automatically resized. I will change again slide into 300 pixels, and you can refresh to preview. Okay, that's it for a basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to resize image.